Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to make icons bigger or smaller on a different PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to make icon bigger or smaller on a different PC or laptop, so very easy. First to that click on view, click on large icons. That is. And if you want to smaller, so right click on view, click on smaller. That is. If you went to medium, so right click on view and medium icons. Yes. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to make icons bigger or smaller on different PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.